Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come and show you this card that I made. I finished it today, so let me show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's totally inspired by Frank Garcia and his gorgeous cards. And this is using the Dulce collection, which, oh my god, I probably have like maybe 2 sheets left. I am obsessed with this collection. I think it came out so cute. I did the little fake stitching on the bottom one. I did his little dots in the second layer. And then the third layer, I just did like the rip, I guess the rip technique, or just rip the pages. And then that's a frame that I had from my stash that it was a wood frame and I painted it white with chalk paint. And then I mixed pink and added pink to the chalk paint to make it look like, if you notice, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you have some spots that look a little white. Some spots you can see the pink peeking through. And then I added that little banner that says sweet and fluffy, and I curled it, you see? So it's kind of like it has dimension. Look how cute! And I added the little pom-poms in the inside of his frame that like he does, which I love. Some of these are his flowers from the collection. I use actually just the last ones I had. And then the other flowers are just from my collection. Some are paper flowers, some are foam flowers. That's a little trimming from my stash. And I made that little pom-pom this morning. And that the little pom-pom was inspired by, oh my god, now I forgot her name. Hold on. Okay, so her name is She Crafts 2. I'll put the link in the description bar. She is a new YouTuber, so go show her some love. Tell her Wandy sent you. She actually made these, and I thought they were so cute. And these pom-poms I already had in my stash, so they were just super easy for me just to recreate them. I added the little jump ring in the back. So 2 of them are charms, 2 of them are just embellishments. And that's the one I put in the middle. And I think it came out perfect with this collection right here because it's sweet and fluffy, and it's so fluffy. And I think it's so cute. I love this card. The inside, I did not do much. I just put a white layer. So it looks like that. And then in the back, I did my little stamp. And that stamp is the digital from April Designs. And that's what this looks like. And I love it. I love it. I love it. It's a really nice, it feels like a nice card. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. But all right, guys, I just wanted to come show you my little Frank Garcia inspired card. I hope you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.